This is the 2014 Pionero Maccerato Albarino from Rías Baixas in Galicia, Spain. Albariño is the perfect grape for Galicia in the far northwest of Spain, which is a lot of humidity. Its thick skins not only protect it from all of the moisture and rain, but also provide a really complex, concentrated, really broad spectrum of fruit flavor, more than typical white wines. This is a really interesting wine for complexity and nuance of fruit character. You're getting things all the way from the lean end of the spectrum of lemon and lime, all the way to that full luscious end of the spectrum with banana and papaya, and a little bit of everything in between too. So there's some nice sort of pear notes, there's nice apricot and ripe peach. You're also getting some herbal aromatics and some nice fresh minerality as well. So really a lot of nuance and complexity in a really broad spectrum. You're also getting complexity of the palate though. So it's a really full-bodied wine, soft, luscious, really round in character, but there's great acidity here too, which is really balancing out that full body and providing a long but sort of refreshing, invigorating finish. Cheers.